Everyone, welcome to Flavors and Fragrance Recipes. So today I'm going to show you a very quick recipe made with these onion rings. It's called as Laccha Pyaz or Tandoori Pyaz. So you can serve this Laccha Pyaz or Tandoori Pyaz with tandoori chicken or any other chicken spicy gravy dish. So for this I've taken 3 to 4 onions and I've cut them into this slice. Now if you like it cold, then you can put ice water in this for some time, let's say 15 minutes, and then rinse out the ice water, and then you can do the further process that I'll be showing. But today I'm showing you without ice water because I don't want my onions Laccha Pyaz to be cold. So to this we are going to make some powder masala, which we will do it. To make the powder masala we are going to take some ingredients, and that is we are going to take red chilli powder. Over here I am going to take Kashmiri mirchi because I don't want it very spicy. Now to this I am going to add black salt. Black salt will give that tangy taste. So say around 1 teaspoon of black salt. To that I am going to add 1 teaspoon of chaat masala, and I am going to add 1 teaspoon of dhania powder. This is a secret ingredient. And I'm also going to add my regular salt. Now since we have put black salt, we are going to put only half teaspoon. And now I'm going to mix this with my hand, okay, and then we are going to mix this in this onions, this whole powder thing. You can taste it and see what is missing and what you want to add more, and just add as per your taste, like spice and all. I'm going to mix all this like this, put this entire masala into my onion mixture. I'm going to mix it like this, okay. Now I'm also going to put in lemon juice. So I'm going to put in 1 lemon juice, and I'm going to marinate this onion for some time. I'm going to keep it for some time, let's say 5 to 10 minutes, and then only I'm going to serve, so that the salt and the masala nicely blends with the onions, and then it is very tasty. So let's mix this and keep it for 10 minutes. So now it's been 15 minutes, and I'm going to transfer my Laccha onions, tandoori onions, into this bowl. And now it is ready to serve, and that's it. Your Laccha onion or tandoori onion, whatever you may call it, is ready to serve along with tandoori chicken or any other chicken dish. Subscribe to my channel and see you again with some new interesting recipe. Bye.